afternoon to all of you. Myself, Professor Khemnar, MS, from Arso Technical Campus, SAS, Ahmednagar. Okay, today discuss the new chapter and new unit, probability. Okay, subject name is decision science and new chapter probability. Okay, so what is mean by probability? A probability is quantitative measure of uncertain event. It's quantitative measure. Okay, it helps to determine the likelihood of the occurrence of an event. When an experiment is performed, it may result is one of possible several outcome. Okay, quantitative measure of probability is quantitative measure of uncertain event. So, however, we may be able to offer our opinion about the chance of occurrence of possible outcomes by giving a quantitative measure of the chance that a particular outcome would occur. So, thus with every event consisting of one or more outcome of an experiment, we may associate a numerical quantitative called the probability of A. Probability of A denoted by P. P percentage A percentage complete comma or P A comma, which will measure the chance that the event will occur. We take 0 less than or is equal to P percentage A less than is equal to 1 comma, so that P percentage A is equal to 0 implies that there is no chance that A will occur and P percentage A is equal to 1 implies that A will certainly occur if P percentage A is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then it means that there is 50% chance that A will occur. What is a probability? Probability is the chance that something will happen. How likely it is that some event will happen. Probability means probability is the chance that something will happen. Okay, how likely it is that some event will happen. Sometimes a probability can be measured with a number 10% chance of rain. Or words such as impossible can be used, unlikely, possible, event, chance, likely and certain. For example, it is unlikely to rain tomorrow. The probability of an event is the ratio of the number of cases favorable to it to the number of all cases possible when nothing leads used to expected that any one of these cases should occur more than any other, which renders them for us equally possible. Okay, for us equally possible. we are going to probability is a measure or estimations of how likely it is that something will happen or that a statement is true. That something will happen or that a statement is true. Probability are given a value between 0 percentage is 0% chance or will happen, not happen, and 100% chance or will happen. Okay, 0% chance show the different 0% chance or will not happen, 0% chance will not happen, and 100% chance or will happen. Okay, 0% chance will not happen. Show the 0. What is the show the 0? 0% chance will not happen and 100% chance or will happen. Okay, the higher the degree of probability, the more likely the event is to happen, or in a longer series or simple, the greater the number of times such event is expected to happen. Okay, this is the introduction of probability, meaning of probability, and so we are going to definitions of probability. Okay, so let's see. SB simple space associated with a certain random experiment and consisting of finitely many simple point n, says each of which is equal likely to occur whenever the random experiment is carried out, then the probability of any event A consisting of m simple point percentage is 0 less than or is equal to m less than or is equal to n, percentage is complete is given by p percentage A is equal to m/n. Okay, definitions of probability. Probability is the ratio between the favorable cases and the number of equal probability case. Probability means probability is the ratio between the favorable cases and the number of equal probability cases. Okay, so next point, axioms of probability. Axioms of probability means first one, third condition. In this point, third condition, first one non-negative conditions, second one certainty condition, and third one additivity. First one non-negativity, second one certainty, third one additivity. Okay, first one non-negativity means if A is any event, then non-negativity means show the non-negativity. Non-negativity means if A is any event, then P percentage A greater than or is equal to 0. Greater than or is equal to 0, not less than 0. Okay, greater than or is equal to 0. Show the condition, non-negative condition. Non-negative conditions means greater than or is equal to 0. Okay, second one certainty. Certainty means if yes is a certain event, then P percentage is yes is equal to 1. Certainty means if yes is a certain event, then P percentage is yes is equal to 1. And third one additivity. Additivity means show the additivity. Additivity means if A and B are two mutual exclusive events, then if A and B are two mutually exclusive events, then P percentage is A union of two set. A union of two set B percentage is complete is equal to P percentage is A plus P percentage is B. Okay, this is called additivity. So the one more time, additivity means if A and B are two mutually exclusive events, then P percentage is A union of 2 and B percentage complete is equal to P percentage is A plus P percentage is B. So next conditions we are going to additions theorem on probability. Additions theorem on probability means if A and B are any two events, then the probability of happening of at least one of the event is defined as, if A and B are any two events, then the probability of happening of at least one of the event is defined as P percentage is A union of 2 and B percentage complete is equal to P percentage is A plus P percentage is B minus P percentage is A interactions of 2 cents B. Show the different interactions of 2 and B. Okay, and first P plus P percentage is A union of 2 and B is equal to P percentage is A plus P in percentage is B minus P percentage is A interactions of 2 and B percentage is complete. Okay, this is the addition theorem of probability. So prove. A science event are nothing but set. From set theory we have N percentage is A union of 2 and B percentage is complete is equal to N union of percentage is A plus N percentage is B minus N percentage is A interactions of 2 and B. This is the first conditions. Okay, dividing the equations, percentage is 1 by N percentage is S, where S is the simple space. Okay, N percentage is A union of 2 and B slash N percentage is S is equal to N percentage A slash N percentage is S plus N percentage is B slash N percentage is S minus N and percentage is A interactions of 2 and B. Okay, interactions of 2 and B slash N percentage is S. Then by the definitions of probability, P A units of 2 sets B is equal to P percentage A plus P percentage is B minus P percentage A interactions of 2 and B. Okay, this is called is addition theorem of probability. Thank you for attending the session and thank you for everyone. Today's topic is end. Okay.